Nexus touchscreen controller is one example of a modern-day boiler control that provides a detailed display of boiler operations. Digital displays not only allow greater control of boiler operations, but also have the decided advantage of controlling boilers remotely through a network. The main menu displayed here provides a number of operating conditions. The top right portion of the screen indicates burner status, fuel profile, manual or auto control, and boiler ID, which is helpful for remote operations. Additionally, basic boiler operating conditions are always displayed. The bottom right screen displays the current status of the startup or operating condition and any notification including faults. The touchscreen buttons in the bottom menu bar allows one to start up, make adjustments to operating conditions, and access fault history. Once startup commences, the controller first closes the fuel and air servos and ensures the VFD reads 0. If a fuel profile is selected and the controller recognizes a call for heat, the boiler moves all drives into their purge position. Then, the controller purges any remnants of combustible fuels left inside the chamber before attempting to start. Using the blower fan, air is forced through the boiler for a predefined period, usually 30 seconds. Selected motors move to their ignition positions once a purge-proof signal is automatically switched off. When the drives have stopped, the control advances to ignition. The controller confirms that a pilot flame exists for 10 seconds before switching to the main ignition. The controller confirms all required drives are at their ignition position and gives an ignition-proof signal. The controller will hold the drives at their respective positions until the signal to modulate is received from the burner controller. Finally, the fuel and air motors reach their low fire positions where they will then modulate according to the demand placed on the burner. In the event of a manual shutdown or alarm, all servo motors are moved to low fire positions. The air damper is held in position or moved to low fire. Once the controller confirms all drives are at their purge position and gives a purge-proof signal, the burner will shut off and remain in standby until the lockout has been troubleshooted and cleared. All operators should become familiar with the controller, understand the cause of any fault before restarting the boiler, memorize the startup sequence, remain present until the boiler switches to modulation, and always follow proper reporting procedures.